Yes, back to the class, students. I shall be muting you all. I have penned down the examples for the first category, students. That is auxiliary verbs in the transitive and intransitive. Here. Okay. In the transitive section, take down Vinay, write examples. Let you all take the admission inside. That means join the meeting. Then, yeah, Vasu has written very small. Vinay, right? Okay. Now, okay, Vasu. Veena, I'll remove and I'll keep Vasu. Sing. Vasu, hadadkinni. This I hope you are able to see. Right? In transit, you are able to see, students? This size. Okay. Vasu. Panalkar. First, well, 36 in. Let's start the class. May I start the class? Shreya gave me the response to start the class. Then I shall be starting it now because Shreya, Vasu, Akshay Kumar told. Ganga, I did see your name recently. Okay, students. Yesterday, only two dividation of verbs chapter was been given. So I have given you words yesterday, putting the head as transitive and intransitive for this course. In detail, I'm going it. You can fix or adjust these two examples in under the main verb or action word. Okay, let me start with this explanation for you. Okay, now main verb andre the verb those put you actually into action are main verb. Okay, example is given as he eats biscuit, she plays cricket. Okay, that means she is doing this, he is doing this. Now who does this action? Who does this action? He or she or the name of a person. Or I eat biscuit. It can also be I eat biscuit. Okay. Now who does this action? Pronoun is given. Name may also be given. But what do we call this place as? This place or this part is called as subject. That means one who does the action. From the sentence we get to know this. So what we categorize it as? Subject. Okay. A subject does this particular action. Right. So this part is called a subject. What the subject does is the action. Right. That means they are actually physically or mentally they are engaging themselves. Such words are called as main verbs. Okay. Now students, just it's an example. This bifurcation will clear us. Bifurcation ಅಂದ್ರೆ divide ಮಾಡೋದು. What bifurcation? This I divided. These are verbs, eat and place. What are this? Discussion. In generally, you know it. Sentence is always a combination of subject, verb, object. So that in your school days, you must have learnt about it. So SVO concept when we hold upon, ಅಂದ್ರೆ SVO concept ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ತಗೋಣ, ಆ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ? ವರ್ಬ್. ವರ್ಬ್ ನಂತರ ಏನೇ ಬಂದ್ರು ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್. ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅ ನಾನ್ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. That part of the sentence which comes after verb is always object. So this is a basic thing which you need to keep it for sentence frame or any kind of understanding regarding the grammar concerned to our concept of framing sentence. Okay, this is the thing. Now keeping this in my mind, students, so this becomes our object. Now what kind of object is actually told by transitive and intransitive? Spelling I shall repeat for intransitive. INTRANSITIVE. Okay. Transitive or transfer means something is transferred. So transitive is in the family of verb. Okay. Transitive is in the family of verb. Intransitive is also in the family of verb. Then how do they function? Let us see that. Now here and here, whatever I write, both are matching together. Let's you all clear with this basics. So who is writing here, students? Vinay. So Vinay is our subject. What he does? Write. And nothing is written here, students. Nothing is written. Vasu, sing. Now, this is verb, this is verb. Vinay is actually engaging physically as well as mentally in this case. Writing anno kelsa, one shukta, late admission. Now, writing is actually engaging yourself physically and mentally. Song, physically, mentally. But next, further, to make it transitive or to function like transitive, when we put what write, Vinay writes poems. Okay. Vasu sings. What he sings? A song. Okay. So, transitive, the verb is said to be transitive. Here, the verb is said to be transitive. To fall into this category, a verb has to answer a question. What? When you ask what to the verb, yen baritana, poems baritana. What he sings? A song. That means this verb is sending its link to that part of the sentence. That means that object. So you understood your subject, object. Okay? Next, when you clarify this, when you go much deeper and clear, what do you say? ಮತ್ತಷ್ಟು ಕ್ಲಾರಿಟಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೋದ್ರ ಏನಾಗತ್ತಂದ್ರ ಏನ್ ಬರೀತಾನ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಟಿವ್ ವರ್ಬ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರ ವಾಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ವರ್ಬ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹೌದಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ವರ್ಬ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಟಿವ್ ವರ್ಬ್. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. ಬಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಈ ವರ್ಬ್ transitive aಗುತ್ತೆ. This is very important for your active voice and passive voice chapter to learn. Okay. Next shift for intransitive. Take down this way itself so that in abridged way you are getting a very broader concept of understanding. Now here we shall come here. If I see this, I am clear, students. Vasu, is it clear? Vinay writes, Veena draws. Yeah, thank you. Dear. Now, ಈಗ ಈ ವರ್ಬ್ intransitive ಗತ್ಲೆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಸೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್. ಅದ್ ಹೆಂಗಂತಂದ್ರ intransitive. The who is doing this action, right? Vinay. So these two becomes our subject. Okay? Right ಅನ್ನೋದು verb. Now this verb, if we ask the question what, right? It's not giving any answer because the word is neatly. Hey dear, what is drawn? ಏನ್ ಚಿತ್ರ ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಏನು ತೆಗ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರ this is complement. ಬರ್ಕೋರಿ ಇದನ್ನ complement. Yes? It is answering the question how. This is answering the question how. Here one more example. Take Pooja. Okay, Pooja. Eat. Don't mind Pooja. Eat well. Eat well in the Pooja eats well in the afternoon meal. Afternoon meals ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನದ ಊಟ ಒಳಗ ಅಕ್ಕಿ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ತುಂಬ ತಿಂತಾಳ. Okay. Here Pooja subject what she eats, what she eats ಇಲ್ಲ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕೊಡಕತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ವರ್ಬ್ ಅದ ಬಟ್ ಈಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಶಬ್ದ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ತಿಂತಾಳ. ವೆಲ್ ಹೌ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್. ಯಾವಾಗ when in the afternoon meal. So when you ask the question to the verb what, if it answers, if it gives you that answer, then it is transitive. If it doesn't answer what question, then it is falling into the category of intransitive. In our day-to-day life, when we study particularly the grammar part or in our conversation, now categorizing this and understanding the concept, that means ನಾವು ಹೊಗಳಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಚಂದಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಹೌದಾ ಇಲ್ಲ? ಬಟ್ ಇದಕ್ಕಿದೆ ಅಂತಾರಂತ ಅದು ಕ್ಲಾರಿಟಿ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ ನಮಗೆ. So when we study it into this category, this will always help us for our active verb passive voice topic because I have to cover tenses, words. In the verbs chapter itself, I have to cover active verb passive voice, transitive, this one, reported speech and all. So this becomes a big chapter for you to learn. So this example is over. I'll go to the auxiliary chart. Please take it down. Ma'am, board was not clear. Board is not clear. Oh, board was antandre yavag Pooja, Deepa. Now Pooja? No, sorry, Deepa. Is the board okay now? Let me move away. No. Let me try out this. Deepa, now check there. Now check, please. Take a picture of this. Yeah, good. These examples are important. If this is over, I'll go to some letters are not understanding. Vasu, ya letter api. Intransitive example only. Vasu, in the intransitive category, I have given the example as yeah, I'm going to send you picture. Yes, we ma'am. Helping verb. Now, don't go for this. I'm going to turn the page. I mean, I'm going to turn the camera. This part is finished. Can I shift this side? I'll turn this. This is important for you. No. Listen. Take the picture. Listen. I'm going to send it. Send it on WhatsApp. The comment BCA. I'm going to send it now. Yeah. This category we shall go now. Auxiliary. In the auxiliary part, we have used all these words in our sentences, paragraphs, etc. So the auxiliary verbs. First of all, spelling is important. What happens? Auxiliary and takshana ಒತ್ತಕ್ಷರ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಒಳಗ ಡಬಲ್ ಎಲ್ ಡಬಲ್ ಬಿ ಡಬಲ್ ಟಿ ಅಂತ ಬಂದ್ರ ಒತ್ತಕ್ಷರ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಒತ್ತಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಬ್ಯಾಟಿಂಗ್, ಬಾಲಿಂಗ್, ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ಇವಾಗ auxiliary ಒಳಗ only there is one L. AUXILIARY, auxiliary words. The other name for auxiliary words is helping verb. Okay, commonly used. Every English teacher, like everyone who teaches you like grammar, will always depend on SV or MV. Main verb MV and the short form hakonತೀವಿ ನಾವು. In this category, students make only three formats: primary and model. In model ಅನ್ನೋ pronunciation model used to ಆಗಿದ್ ನಮಗ್ ಶಬ್ದ model word. So MODAL is important, not MODEL. Okay, this verb has model as spelling. Pronunciation is modal word. Mo ಬರ್ತದೆ, mo ಬರಲ್ಲ. Okay, primary category. In that, basically there are three divisions: to be forms of the verb, to be forms of the verb, to have forms of the verb. Shashi? Okay, to do forms of the verb. In to be forms of the verb, there are 5. Very clear, Klanastilla. In Nisham, can I zoom it? Can I zoom this part for them? I'll rewrite for you, that would be better. Okay, the handling will end. I will take this. Okay, to be forms of the verb. ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತಂತಂದ್ರ is, am, are. Now, okay, Jayashree, only this will finish. To be forms of the verb: is, am, are. Is, am, are. Whenever there is verb, there will always be present word and past word. Howda? Because they are the only one source for us to understand whether we are at present or we are thinking of something past. That means they give us the time impact, time of action. ನಾವು ಯಾವಾಗ ಯಾವಾಗ ಏನೇನ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಯಾವಾಗ ಯಾವಾಗ ಏನೇನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಟೈಮ್ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಟೆಡ್ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ವರ್ಬ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಒಳಗ್ ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ, ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ, ಅಥವಾ ಮುಂದಾಗೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ is, am, are, they are sitting in the present format, right? Present tense. The past tense of this will be, these will be, was, were. ಈ were ಅನ್ನೋ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ where ಅನ್ನೋ ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಂದದ. To sense or to give a little differentiation, WHERE, where ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹ ಉಚ್ಚಾರ ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ, ಇಲ್ಲೇ were ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಹೌದಾ? They were attending the class. Okay, where is your box? So try to understand the pronunciation as well. On this past category, to be forms of the word. Next, to have forms of the word. To have andre there are again 3 categories: has, have, had. Same way, this goes into past. These two sits in the present. Now, to do forms of the verb. Do, does, did. Did goes into past category. Do and does sits in present category. Okay? I hope this is clear for you. This usage is very important. Sometimes what happens, we have learnt it, but thing is some kind of disconnection has developed because this is, am, are to be used for particular persons or particular pronouns. Okay, let us see them because individually I have to take all these things for you. Regarding model, if I go to, okay, model also I'm going to rewrite for you with an example only. First word, not like word I'm going to write, just I'm going to list out. Models are can, could. The L is silent here. L anno uchara iralla. Could, will, would. L again there is no sound. Shall, should, may, might, may, might, ought to, must, need to. There are so many rest more, some more are there. These many only I'm going to pen down, but I will give you what are they. When you take down all these things, students, you understand there are so many verbs. Okay? When we started, the basic chapter of verb is this one, students, the helping verb. To be forms of the verb, to have forms of verb, to do forms of the verb. Modal verbs and transitive and intransitive for main verb category. In the main verb category, you understood how transitive is working and how intransitive is working. In this category, students, how to be are functioning, how to have are functioning, how to do are functioning, we need to study them in detail. And why there are modal verbs again? Are they helping verbs? Yes, they are helping. They are helping verbs to add more meaning for our main verb. So let's solve few examples so that you have a brief layout of what these verbs stand for. I'm going to write and list out certain verbs and sentences using them. What you have to do is you just go on telling me, are they transitive or intransitive, or they are modal verbs or primary verbs. Okay, let's do that. So put it as examples. Today also you're not going to, I mean, if I go for verb forms, you know that V1 there are verb forms, V1, V2, V3, V4, V5 forms. In Western period, like there will always be an idea. But when you are studying it, again the usage is going wrong. When I find your examples, when I find your responses while you write your classwork students, then I will again recheck what I have to teach or what I have to compile in my teaching. So that's what I'm engaging myself. Let's take example, students. So first letter capital example. Dash, underline A. Shya, Puja, is a student. Puja enadala student. Handwriting is okay? B. ಇದ್ರ ಮುಂದೆ ನಾನು ಬರೀತೀನಿ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. Okay, here we are going to write. Puja ಆಯ್ತು. Next she can study for long hours. ಬಹಳ ಹೊತ್ತು ಕುಂತು ಓದಕ್ ಸಾಧ್ಯದ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಹೌದಾ. ಸಿ Shashi and his friend have 10 pens with them. D. Deepa does her work promptly. Deepa does her work promptly. Ganga has joined today. Next, Sagar and Abhishek. Abhishek, are you present today? Sagar and Abhishek do group study. Now, students, just few examples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are there. Now, when we see them, students, now if I ask you, you all know what puja is here. Now, just tell me which all the sentence, or like we go for B, C, D, E, which subject is actually into action? Which subject? Sagar, Ganga, Deepa, Shashi, or she, or Puja. Which subject is actually into action? Puja is a student. Is she into an action, student here? Puja action ಒಳಗದಾಳ? Yes or no? No. Yes ಅಂತ ಬರೆದು ಕಳಿಸ್ರಿ. No ಇದ್ರೆ N ಅಂತ ಬರೆದು ಕಳಿಸ್ರಿ. No. Vinayak Hirmat always faster. But ಏನದಾಳ ಆಕಿ? Yeah. Got the answer, Abhishek. Abhishek Betageri I was expecting. Puja is a student. Puja ಏನದಾಳ? Student ಅದಾಳ. ಆಕಿ ಏನದಾಳ? ವಿನಾಯಕ್ ಯಾರು? ಅವನು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್. ಅನುರಾಧ ಯಾರು? ಆಕಿನ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್. ನಾನು ಯಾರು? ಐ ಆಮ್ ಅ ಟೀಚರ್. ಹೌದಾ? ನಾವು ಇದೇನು? So we say them that this particular verb is, okay, primary verb, we know it is a helping verb, but what it is saying? Yeah, Vinayak, that's right, but what it is? It's telling state. State of what? Condition, right? Condition. What kind of condition? State of being. State of being. Andre aki ಏನದಾಳ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರು. We are all beings, right? We are there. ಆಕಿನ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. ಆಕಿ ಏನದಾಳ? ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್. Here this is, without is we cannot function, we cannot make a complete statement. But what is Puja? She is a student. This is linking the first part of the statement of the last part of the statement. Subject na object ಜೊತೆ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಕೆಲಸನೂ ವರ್ಬ್ದೆ. ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಆಕಿ ಏನದಾಳ? ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್. ಈ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಏನದ? ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಅದ. ಆ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ we call these primary verbs and understand them as state of being words also. This word is very important, state of being. Next, once this is understood, let's go for here. Now tell me, this subject is really into an action. She can study for long hours. Is really into action. Yes. No. Yan. Right. Abhishek Hunogon. But ಏನು ಹೇಳಾಗತ್ತದು? Action verb ada, isn't it, Vasu? Abhishek. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ವರ್ಬ್. ಹೌದಾ? ಈ ವರ್ಬ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇದು ಮೇನ್ ವರ್ಬ್ ಅದ, ಐ ಸ್ಟಡಿ. ಹೌದಾ? ಬಟ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿಕೆ ಫಾರ್ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಅವರ್. ಹಾ, she will be in action. ಹಾ, she will be in action. She will be into action. or she assurity ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಇದು. Not, I'll give you words. Is this word is helping the main word to define? Is this telling the assurity of studying habit or necessity of studying habit or possibility of studying for long hours? Which word you want to go? Assurity A, possibility C. Yeah, possibility. So this, you notice this is modal verb. Modal verb. Possibility, of course. Very good. Very good. That means our modal verbs are helping us, helping for our own action to tell the frequency of action. ಎಷ್ಟರ ಮಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? ಅಂದ್ರ ನಾವು ಊಹಿಸಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಆಕಿನ ಕಡೆ ಇದು ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿ ಅದ, ಏನ್ ಬಹಳ ಓದುವಷ್ಟು, she can study. So there where our modal verbs are going to help us. So this is called possibility of action of MV. Next, Shashi and his friend have 10 pens with them. ಅವ್ರ ಕಡೆ ಏನದ ಓನರ್ಶಿಪ್, ನನ್ನ ಕಡೆ ಇಷ್ಟದ. So this have is ownership. So to have forms of the word. I have 45 students attendance today. ನನ್ನ ಕಡೆ ಅದು ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಹೌದಾ? 45 students attendance today. ನನ್ನ ಕಡೆ ಏನದು? She has 10 students attendance with her. Understood? This tells us the ownership. Fine. Next one. Deepa does her work promptly. Deepa does her work promptly. Deepa ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ? To do forms of the word. To do, to have, to be, state of being. ಏನದ? ಅದು ಏನದ? That is what state of being. ಇಲ್ಲಿ this to do form tells us dedication is the implication. Vinayak, ಅಪ್ಪೆ ಏನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? Deepa does her work promptly. ಇದು ಡೆಡಿಕೇಶನ್, the way she does. But this do, does, to do forms of the verb ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರ ಅದು ನಮಗ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತದ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಯಾವ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ವರ್ಬ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆರ್ ಯು ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್? There is no MV here, but this does only is enough to function the requirement of main verb. Okay, does ಅನ್ನೋದು ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಬ್ ಅದ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಬ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಏನು? ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ನ ಬೇರೆ ವರ್ಬ್ ಕೂಡ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್. ಬಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ವರ್ಬ್ ಏನದಾವಲ್ಲ, ದೇ ಆರ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಮೇನ್ ವರ್ಬ್, ರೈಟ್? And also helping verb, right? They may act to connect to subject to main verb, or they itself become main verb. So this is like, here it is working like main verb, MV, right? So here you can take does, completes the work of MV. Short form alli hakolona. Now here, Ganga has joined today. ಈ ಗಂಗನ್ ಕಡೆ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಹೌದಾ? ಗಂಗನ್ ಕಡೆ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಟು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ನನ್ನ ಕಡೆ ಅದ ಓನರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗೀತಾ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ? ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ MV ಅದಲ್ಲ, there is a main verb here, join. That means this is main verb and this is working like HV. Yes or no? So here it is not showing any ownership, dear students. It is only showing and connecting the subject with the main verb. But time of action is shown. Geeta has joined. Today ಅನ್ನೋ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇದ್ರೂ ಸಹ Geeta has joined. ಅಶ್ಯೂರಿಟಿ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅಷ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗ್ಯಾಳ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅರ್ಥ. ಟುಡೇ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ ಟೈಮ್, ಇವತ್ತು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗ್ಯಾಳ. I just wanted to give you how it helps for main verb. Clear? In this category, connect to main verb. Here, Sagar and Abhishek do. In do yak bantu two subjects. Plural is the subject. Illella singular is the plural bantu. Do. What? In matter. Again here. MV. Do. It is working like MV. What do they do? Group study. Group study is noun. What kind of study it is? Group study. I hope you got some idea, some kind of revision to understand here. Right? Let us jump to the conjugation of verbs. Conjugation of verbs. Andre to do, to have, to do, to be forms of a verb. Usually ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೂ ಸಹ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಅದಾಗಬಾರ್ದು. Further, whatever you are going into your conversation or writing work, there should not arise any problem. Conjugation. Conjugation ಅಂದ್ರೆ to be forms of the verb. We ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು ನಮಗೀಗ, because short forms are saving time. How? First is E. First is first person, I. First person, I. I'll go for this. First person, I. First person, I. I after verb is am. If first person is plural, we. This I, students, wherever we write, it will always be capital. Let it be in the middle of the statement. Because I takes a lot of proud feel into the conversation of English. So I stand always into the capital letter. If I is one, singular I. If I is plural, me and one more teacher is there here. In that concern, what we will do? We will convert the subject to we. So we are going to conjugation in Barut. R. Second person. Please take down in your class work. Second person is always you. Singular, you, plural. Okay? You are. Okay? Next, third person. Third person. He or she. He, she, it. He another male, she another female, it for non-living things and animals. It, ಏನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? Is. Usage. If third person is plural, they. He ಭಾಳ ಜನ ಹುಡುಗರಿದ್ರು, ಭಾಳ ಜನ ಹುಡುಗಿಯರಿದ್ರು, ಭಾಳ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದು. They are. Yeah. Past tense of these was. Past tense of this am or was, are or were. 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 You means I can talk directly to Vasu. Vasu addressing. You Vasu, you're not writing your class work if I say singular. In case if I address to all you, all of you, then that concern also you become plural only. Now here third person pronoun. Past tense of uses was, what. Done. This is what to be forms of the word. Put a line. Go for to do form, to have